Let's learn about buying a home in today's market and what it's going to take. As always, we are talking about how important it is that you know about all aspects of buying a home. Hello, I am Joe Seaman with the J Properties Group, brokered by Mabon Real Estate. I know you are wondering what are closing costs and who pays for them. I know that oftentimes people are preparing to buy a home and they are not prepared, and most of the time completely surprised when they did not budget for potentially thousands of dollars for closing costs. So what are closing costs? They are various fees that the buyers and sellers pay at closing. These fees can include, but are not limited to, escrow fees, title fees, loan origination fees, transfer tax, homeowners fees, and the gamut. And they are typically somewhere around 3% of the purchase price. So whether you are looking to buy or sell, don't be surprised last minute that these fees will come up and that they will need to be paid at closing. But don't worry though, great lenders and realtors will make sure that you are fully prepared ahead of time and that you know what your numbers are. So if you would like a more detailed list of the typical fees and how much each one of these are, please reach out anytime and I am happy to help. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. If you found this to be beneficial, please like, comment, and share it with someone who you think would benefit from it. And as always, make it a great home buying and selling day.